Hi guys, it's Tuesday, it's September the 20th, and I wanted to go over a couple things with you that we did in math today because you're going to be seeing it for homework tonight. Hopefully I'm recording this in enough time. I know yesterday I recorded it kind of late, so I don't know if some of you go home right away and get started on your homework, so I'm going to try to do it right after school so that the video is ready for you. So today in math, what we were working on was math story related problems. So it's basically a multiplication word problem, and the students had to write the multiplication equation, solve it, and then show me how they solved it. For homework tonight, they're just going to see the multiplication equations, and the homework is going to ask them to solve it and then show their work. So I'm going to do the first one with you so that for the rest of them, they get a little bit more challenging as they go down the paper, that you're going to know exactly what to do. So again, as you can see here, it's going to be 3 times 7. We need to solve this, and as I say in class, you may know this off the top of your head, you may not, and that's okay. So even if we don't know the answer right away, that's okay, we're still going to solve it. Remember, there are 3 different strategies we can use to solve this problem. So the first would be to skip count. You can use repeated addition, or you can draw a picture. So let's look at this problem first. When I see 3 times 7, this means 3 groups of 7. It's always the same thing. The first number is going to be the number of groups you have. The second number is going to be how many you have in each group. So first what we can do is we can draw a picture. So I have 3 groups. So I'm going to draw 3 circles. So these are each of my groups. Now this pen's a little bit bigger, so I think I'm going to make it smaller because I need 7 in each group. So I'm just going to draw dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. So a student today actually said that, hey, those look like chocolate chip cookies, and they kind of do. So you want to think about the circles can be your cookie, and the dots can be your chocolate chips. So I have 3 cookies, and I need 7 chocolate chips in each, or again, I have 3 groups, and I have 7 in each. So now what we can do, we can just count how many that we have. So I know in this one there are 7. If I keep counting and add 7 to this, this will be 14. Then if I keep going again and add 7 to 14, I'm going to get 21. So we could literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you can see we get the same answer. So we can draw a picture and count our dots or whatever we drew in there. We can skip count, which is what I did down here, 7, 14, 21, or I can use repeated addition. So with this one, what I'm going to need to add 7 3 times. Remember, 3 groups of 7. So I'm going to add 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 3 times. And if I added them all together, that equals 21. So my answer up here is going to be 3 times 7 equals 21. You can do this for each problem. You don't have to do all 3 strategies. I just want you to pick one. So maybe one time you draw a picture, one time you skip count, then the next time you do repeated addition. That is up to you. Yes?
I'm sorry, are you on the phone?
Yes. Oh, can I call you back?
It's just, this is Andrea. I'll call you when you're done.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thanks. Sorry, Mrs. Andrea was calling me on the phone, so I'll have to call her back. So the video's almost done, but this is what happens. I'm live, and I didn't want to stop the video. So again, you can do the same thing for each problem. You can draw a picture, skip count, or use repeated addition. It's up to you. You don't have to do all 3, but I do need you to solve each problem and then show me your solution and how you did it, okay? So we did have a great day. For the rest of the day, we're working on writing, and we started to do adding details to our personal narratives. We're picking different things and making sure we choose seeds and not a big watermelon story. In reading today, we talked about different types of nonfiction, and the students did great. They told me all the different genres of nonfiction. And in social studies, we're still learning about being a good citizen. And today we actually talked about different goods and services and what those terms mean, and then also what a want is. So remember, what is a good, what is a service, and what is a want. So maybe you can talk to your family members about that tonight over dinner. So if you have any questions at all, remember you can always message me on Class Dojo family members. I think I have 5 or 6 family members signed up, which is great. I'd like to have everybody signed up by the end of the week. You can always message me on there. You can always send me an email. Have a great night. Good luck with your multiplication homework tonight, and I will see you all in the morning. Bye.